Have you ever wondered how AI image generator free chat actually works? In the next 7 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it, step by step. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be using it like a pro. Welcome back to AI Tools Hub. Today we're diving deep into AI image generator free chat. If you're new here, we break down the latest AI tools and workflows so you can work smarter, not harder. Let's get into it. So first, let's understand what AI image generator free chat actually is and why everyone is talking about it right now. AI image generator free chat is OpenAI's powerful language model that can write, code, analyze, and even reason through complex problems. What makes it special is that it can understand context and generate human-like responses across any domain. And the best part? It has a generous free tier that gives you access to most features. Getting started with AI image generator free chat is actually easier than you might think. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Go to chat.openai.com and sign up for free. Step 2. Type your first prompt, be specific about what you want. Step 3. Iterate on the response by asking follow-up questions. That's literally it. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Most people don't know this, but AI image generator free chat has some hidden features that can save you hours. First tip, write detailed prompts with context, the more specific you are the better the output. Second tip, use custom instructions to set your preferred tone and format. And here's the game changer, create custom GPTs for tasks you do repeatedly. So does AI image generator free chat actually deliver results? Absolutely. People are using it to write entire blog posts in under 5 minutes, debug code faster than any Stack Overflow search, and even create professional presentations from rough notes. The productivity gains are incredible.